He loved her more than his own life, but life took her away before he could say goodbye. Aiden always believed that some people enter your life as blessings and some as lessons. But when he met Lily, she became both. They first met on an autumn afternoon when her notebook slipped from her hands. Her handwriting was messy, but her heart was the neatest thing Aiden had ever known. Aiden started waiting for her every morning, pretending it was just coincidence. Lily knew everything, but she let him pretend anyway. They became inseparable, like sunset and horizon. But life had a storm waiting behind the sunshine. One day Lily didn't come to school. Aiden waited. 1 day, 2 days, a week. Then her mother called. Lily had collapsed at home. The doctor said it was a rare heart condition. Aiden felt his world crumble in an instant. When he visited her, she smiled like nothing was wrong. That smile broke him more than the truth. "I didn't want you to worry," Lily whispered. "You're the one person I can't lose," Aiden replied with shaking voice. Days turned into weeks, and the hospital became their second home. But Lily's strength faded faster than seasons changing. One evening, she handed Aiden a small envelope. "Don't open it until you can't find me anymore," she said. The next morning, Lily didn't wake up. Aiden fell to the floor, unable to breathe. With trembling fingers, he opened the envelope. Her letter read, "Thank you for giving me the happiest days of my life. Live enough for both of us." Years passed, but Aiden never forgot the girl who taught him love and loss. Every year on the day she left, he reads her letter again. And every time, it breaks him the same way. Some stories don't end with goodbye. They end with memories that refuse to disappear. And Aiden carries Lily, not in his hands, but in his heart forever,